Clearance Factory store. Decided to stop in here to see what new they might have in this particular outlet store. Last time I made a stop, it was to a clearance store. And we have these 9060s excluded from promo for $150. Just looking around, see if we see anything new in here. Any new colorways. This is a unisex color. We got the pink and the black. $154.99. It's a 1906R. I never seen this one, pink and black. Got this tan colorway. Light cream. Buy one, get 150. I actually just picked up a pair of these, but I got mine for an additional 50% off. Instead of buy one, get one 50% off, I got to get my pair for an additional 50% off. It's a $19.99. Excuse me. Oh, this is a new colorway. Hold up. You noticed that 30% off one of our favorite pickups of this year? When last month we were able to pick up that same shoe for additional 50% off, tax-free, making it $49.99 out the door. Let me know what you were able to pick up last month throughout that sale. It's a nice gray. Y'all like these. It's a dope colorway. $129, additional 30% off. It's kind of pricey. This is another new colorway also. $139, additional 50 off. No, I misread that. That was buy one, get one 50% off for $139. We got this nice mocha brown colorway. What's this, leather or something? Kind of leather on here. $129 with additional 30% off. Not bad. And we have this gray, also excluded from the promo, $139. Dang. We got a nice olive. Seen this one before. $129 though. 30% off. Yeah. These two both seen in the clearance outlets for a whole lot cheaper. It's an olive colorway here. It's another nice olive. Channel 2R $129 with 30% off. I never seen this colorway before. This is another new colorway in the 2002Rs. $144. Sheesh. With additional 30% off. Nah, not yet. This 1000 colorway is hard too. $129 with additional 30% off also. Nice. See got a couple of the same 997s that's been at the other outlets, but the promo in here isn't like in the other stores. The promo in here isn't as good. Definitely not today, but the holiday weekend, I think it was an additional 40, but week before, a couple weeks ago, yeah, the promo was an additional 50 at the clearance. We got another pair of the silver 1000s, but these are $149. Buy one, get 150. So it's not just a straight up additional percentage off. Got another pair of 1906. I don't think I ever seen this colorway either, but 150 with additional 30% off of those. Got a pair of nice gray 1906, 139 with 30% off. So, and just a walking out, we're gonna take a look at the discount wall, see what they have. Over here at my size on the discount wall, see if I see anything. These are $69.99. Right. And I think the yellow sticker promo today is, what's the yellow sticker discount today? What's the yellow sticker discount today?
30% off.
Okay, 30% off. Okay. So the yellow stickers in here today is additional 30% off. Yeah, which is not much in comparison to what I'm used to getting at the other spots. So They do have these 990s though. Additional 30, but at 119. Yeah. The clearance store still has 40% off for these same ones. It's an additional 40 off. Oh, it's a nice, it's like a basketball. Oh, this leather is super soft for these 990s. Sheesh. They should have had these in a bigger size. I never came across these ones either. That's what, $100? Additional 30, those I'll take. Go down a little more, see if the nines, I don't see anything else. Nah, excuse me. See these greens, nothing else is standing out. Oh, this is a nice colorway too. Absorbed, 79. This is a 5.5. 79 with additional 30. I never seen that colorway before. That just caught my eye. They have a couple pairs too. I think that's a women's. All right, that's it for the New Balance factory outlet. Just wanted to take a quick look and see what was new in stock today. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.